Just came from work and don't know how to once again spend your time watching useless video? Then you don't come to me. There I teach you how to become financially independent and free.
So, let's start our today's trading. All currency pairs with the most optional character of movement for today's trading I have already analyzed and selected. Today we have the following selection for analysis indicators. It will include Alligator with default settings, ADX oscillator with periods 15, and also MACD oscillator with periods 5, 7 and 10. Today we will be guided exclusively on the trend. Well, of course oscillators will help me today, and ADX we will look at the character of the trend, and also on MACD we will be guided by its volumes. And also we will be guided on the moving lines. Actually, each deal will be explained in detail. I have conducted a fairly detailed and qualitative analysis, so I will be absolutely sure in my every deal for today. So I propose to start, and let's get started and pick up the first currency pair. And let's open a down trade here. There is a good touch point here. I am focusing here exclusively on the resistance area. I'll mark it for you now. This is the level, good touch points, and I think that a small pullbacks of the dynamics downwards should take place. There are no strong volumes for the last part of the movement. In general, on ADX, I also see that dislocated, and we are in the range of up to 25%. This indicates a medium directional dynamics. And the first trade closes in the plus side. It's really lucky here. Actually, since the price dynamics we have sharply going down, and perhaps the trading news has now come, and most likely on the last candle the nature of the price movement sharp change. But most likely as this candle already shows a stable movement, I think the trading news is over. Well, we close the first trade in the plus. I will change the amount of the value of the deal, and I will put $945 and open 2 trades for the full amount of today's balance. Let's get started and pick up the following currency pair.
If you wanna get free real money to your trading account right now, in the description of this video I will leave a link to this trading platform, my friends. I trade here every day, and I write a new promo that gives you real free money to the balance. You can use them for trading. It's best way for practice for beginners.
And I'm going to open 2 trades down here in the direction of the actual trend. Right now the MACD histogram is showing good sustained downward volume. I think this volume should also continue, even increase most likely. Here the trend is changing direction, and I have all the moving alligator lines pointed down. Also earlier there was a crossover on ADX. We can say it is in a range 20%, from 20 to 25. This indicates the average trend dynamics, and the plus line of this oscillator we have in the area of 33%. In general, after this rollback rather impulsive, the further dynamics of movement, according to my logic, should go downwards. And actually 2 trades are also closed in plus without any problems. Well, yes, the first trade of course, I don't know if it was lucky or not, you can judge. But in general, you have seen further dynamics on the first trade. The logic of the entry was, in my opinion, absolutely correct. Well, and the profit for today, I will be absolutely satisfied and will proceed to the conclusion. The amount of today's profit will be $2,550. Withdrawal operation is successfully executed. This is a trade for today has turned out with the application of these indicators in general. I think there should be no questions. The application of these indicators is not complicated. Try if you trade on fast time frames, from a minute to 3. Try to use these settings in these indicators and everything will be fine. And of course, good luck on trading, guys. Bye bye.